Okay, I hear a bird like somewhere. You can't see me. It's hard because I'm walking like this, so you have to see what I'm doing. So, trying to comment below what kind of bird this is. When it chirps, I chirp too. Like, I'll show you. Like, right there. Like, it's like right. My finger can. Right there. It chirps with a weight. Hey, not that bird. It was like loud. I don't want to get too close to it. I'm sweating as heck. I was chilling and vibing out in here. The weekend, not weekend. If I can vlog right. I'm not comment below anything. If I can get my comments on. I can zoom more than that. See, watch. That's how far I can go. See that chirp? It's over here. Hear it? Hear it? It was over here, like in that there, because there was a bird's nest. There was another one in that red building. I know we had something so cool. We put the camera around. So, you can comment below, like anything. Like, hear that? I'm backing up. I'm not going to talk about birds today. Hear it? They're communicating. Woo! Hear it? I'm scared as heck. Where is that? I'm scared. It's like in that building or like right there. Somewhere because it's near. I can hear it. Yeah, I can hear it. So crazy. See, that one's chirping. This one's gonna chirp next. I'm gonna talk. Watch. See, that one's talking. And this one is gonna talk, and this one's gonna talk over there. Hear it now? Sounds like a squirrel. I don't know what a squirrel. I think it's a squirrel. I think it's a squirrel. Can't be a squirrel. If it's a squirrel, I'm gonna kill it. I don't care. I don't care. It's like, it had to be in that tree. See it? See that big tree? It's in that somewhere. I'm trying to look for it. It had to be a bird or something. It had to be a bird. Oh, I'm scared as heck. The first time it scared me. Look at that. There's a cardinal. It's a red bird. It's like a bird. See it? Bird. That's how far my... Uh-oh. That died. Just jumped off. You see that? I had to block that because I don't want to see my address. Sounds like a bird, so I'm going to end this video. Comment and like this video and subscribe. Okay? Please. I'll try to turn on my comments. If I can't, then I'm sorry. Then I try to. Okay, I'll see you later. Peace.